Guys, good morning. So a quick one. Today is Sunday, and of course today is the 20. What is it? Okay, the 7th of December 2025, and of course today is Sunday. So this weekend, and of course we are going to be analyzing the synthetic indices, the VIX75 1 seconds. Now on VIX75 1 seconds, you can see already breaking below our current week's low. So then let's go to the enter time frame. Okay, let me just mark the recent high just for those that don't know yet. Definitely is the recent high where we are going to be looking at for the market, and of course, is the recent low for us. So here the recent low breaking below. So let's go to the entry time frame. Let's see if we can see an entering a signal. Okay, let's think this together. Okay, I think you can see something like the market already breaking below this. So that means what you want to have to do for is well to wait for the market gets retracement into this zone, then they can think of shorting. But then if you're actually shorting this guy, that means your stop loss is going to be somewhere around here. This is going to be too high for you. So what's going to happen is let the market go. If it does not come back to retrace or give us entering signals, they'll just let it go for today. Maybe wait for another opportunity. But what you're going to be waiting for now is for maybe move a little deeper, then have a retrace back to this zone. You can now think of shorting it down. And repeat, wait for the market to move a little bit down, then retracement, they think of shorting it down. That's what you're waiting for. That if you want to enter at this level, then that means your stop loss is going to be right here. So make your choice there. For me, I'll just let the market run. And of course, if I can get a retest zone, then I think of going shorts on this. Then if it happens that you have to enter going back into this zone, I wait for breakout from here. I wait for a breakout from here, then retesting this before I think of going long. So these are what I'll be looking at for the rest. Let me just delete this and do it properly. A breakout in that. So these are what I'll be looking at for on this. So this has already broken this. I just have to wait for it to see what it does inside this zone, what the reaction is going to look like. That's let's go to the next one, which is going to be 75 itself. Now 75 is reaction to the buy, which got our TP. So I'm going to analyze that, but I might not really take much time on that because today is church, so we just have to do some things and go to church. And of course, if you're a Muslim, I'm sure you're definitely going to tell God thank you at least for seeing another day. So let's just go to the recent high, then go check the recent lows too. Okay, so you can see recent high around here, and the recent low, you can see that around here. Going to the entry time frame to check out what is going to happen. I think that most limit now is now on the bullish side, while the 75 wants on the bearish side. Okay, I think I'll be going long on this already. So I'm already doing that already. So I'm going long on just a moment. So I'm currently going long on 75 itself. Okay, good. I just went long. Let me put the stop loss. Okay. So my stop loss is at 44845. 44845. That's my stop loss is on this particular one. So my take profit, I'm just leaving it open. So I just went long on that. So that's it. Let's go to the next one. This is going to be boom 500. Okay, let me just go to boom 500. Okay. Now on boom 500, let's go to the H4. Let's see what is happening on the H4. Marking the recent structures first. And from what we can see here, here is the recent high. And here is the recent low. Or the next, let me call this the next low. Then let's go to each one to see. I think I'm seeing something like a minor internal recent low that just got broken. So let's confirm that. Okay, I think there is the recent low. So just expect here. So here is the recent low. So what we're expecting now is this for the market to break below this, then we go short. If that does not happen, Then we wait for the market to then move through this, it tests it, then think of going long. So, I've actually locked it. Let me unlock it. Okay, so here's what I'll be looking at for BOM 500. So you can just mark your structures. And as a reminder, this is not a financial advice. I'm not telling you how to trade. Remember, don't risk more than you can lose. And if you don't know the broker that actually make this available, I will leave the link for you in the description for you to create an account with them. So you can actually create an account there and trade on weekends, public holiday, just pure technical, no fundamentals required. Just pure technical. If you're good with your technicals, you're good to go. So that's let's go to the next, we're going to be Crash 500 before we enter the 1000 series. So on Crash 500, I think I can see a clearly zone that just got broken here. So let's just focus on this. So let's focus on this, then focus on this too. Okay. Then let's go to 15 minutes charts. Okay, I think here is valid and here is just a minor breakout. So now already broken below. So what you don't have to pay for is to see what happened around there. But then let's have this as the next structure we should be respecting. Now, since the market will get here, then get rejected. So let's wait for it to see what's gonna happen here again. Remember, that means there's some buying pressure around this zone when it got initially. So now it's going to there again. So let's see what happens. If it's able to still go below it, then maybe have a minor pullback, then we put our stop loss above the rejection that it makes when it goes below it. Then as well, our only buy signal will be only when it goes above this. That's the only buy signal we're going to have here. So we are not taking any buy while the market is inside this zone, except the only time we buy is when it's outside there. Therefore, this is just short, short, short. So if that is three swing to here, they give us time to short, we can short. If you reduce it to here, give us chance to short, we can short it. But we are not buying this until it gets above this. That's it. Let's go to Crash 1000. Crash 1000. Crash 1000 has been on the bullish side for some days now. I'm sure you can see it. But then we still have to mark recent low, recent high that just got broken. Then the next high we are expecting. Okay, so let's go to end time frame. Okay, good. Actually, this has already moved, but then if you want to take this, you're going to be having something like this. But for me, I won't be taking this because this has already moved. So I'll just wait for it to give me minor pullback. Then my stop loss is going to be around this zone, below this. Then, but this is already too wide for me. So I'm not taking this until maybe I get a pullback into this zone. If I get a pullback into this zone, then I think of going long on this. If that doesn't happen, I just let this run. So that means today a lot of market has actually gone in our favor, of which you're not able to take, but then no problem. We take some and of course we lose some. So let's go to the final one for today. It's going to be BOM 1000. Now on BOM 1000 you can see a bearish internal trend. But let's just mark our recent structures, recent high, recent low that got broken. Then let's go to entry time frame to see what's going to happen because the next low is still very low. So let's go to the entry time frame to see what's likely to happen. This has already moved very wide now against us. So still, for almost all the charts, they have almost similar thing today. So we just want to see a pullback to a good zone, probably maybe around here. If you can get that's when you can short this. That's it. Please just stay close to your mobile because I'll be dropping the alerts for any of it that actually happened. I'll be dropping alerts to let you know. Once I'm back, I'll let you know. Okay, this happened and this happened. So for now, so please you can just mark the structures and watch as I also watch. That said, I wish everyone a profitable day trade ahead, and of course, do have a lovely and peaceful day today. Bye for now.